Hi, this is Mark Lonergan. We're going to talk about how to make a screencast video to share with your students. First of all, you're going to want to find the QuickTime player on your Mac. You click on the search bar, and I just looked for it recently, so it's on the top of my list. I click QuickTime player, and I should see this icon on the bottom of my screen. When you click QuickTime player, I'm not sure it'll allow me to do it right now. It'll give me a couple different options. One is to make a new movie recording. That'll use the laptop camera as its input. One is to make a new audio recording, which will just record voice and sound. And one that I'm doing right now is to make a new screen recording, which will record audio and record whatever is on your laptop screen. Once I click New Screen Recording, a little menu will pop up on the side of the screen with a record button. I click record, and then there's going to be another message in the middle of the screen that asks me, do I want to record the whole screen, or do I want to record just a window of the screen? So I can either click to record the whole screen or do kind of a drag to only record part of the screen. As the recording's going, and maybe you can see this now, on the very top of the screen, there is a little stop button. When I'm done with making my recording, I press stop. I won't do that now, but I'll do that in a minute. The last thing you want to know about is how to share a screencast once you've made it. After you stop it, it'll QuickTime. You can click back on QuickTime, and maybe you want to save it on your desktop or on a file on your computer, and then you need to figure out how to share it with others. You can upload it to Google Classroom or on a Google Drive, or you can upload it to YouTube. I'm going to show how to do that upload to Google Classroom now, although that's not the only way to do it. So to upload to Google Classroom, I would be maybe in my email account or my Google Drive, and then I would click on Google Classroom. And so if I wanted to add this video to share with my biology class, for example, I would go over to Classwork and Create. I might make this an assignment. I'm going to watch and react to this video as the assignment. Have students watch and write a one-page reflection. And then where it says add at the bottom, I can, if I've put it on YouTube, I can add the link right here. Or if I put it on my Google Drive, I can do that. The QuickTime movie I just made, I saved it onto my desktop. So I'm going to add it as an attachment. And when I select the file from my device, I should see, look, right there on my desktop is the movie I just made, .mov. And I'm going to click and upload it, and then it's just a waiting game. I think you know how this thing ends. Once it finishes, you'll click the upload button and you'll be all set. We don't need to wait for that. So I'll just say thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.